Hello friends, today we will learn about how you can use this beautiful editor on BLOGNOW. Alright, so let's first consider the usual case. So quite a lot of users of our portal actually write their articles in Microsoft Word or any other Word application. And then what they do is they copy it from here and then just paste it on our BLOGNOW editor. And what it does is actually when you do that, it creates your content as image and then tries to upload it, which we don't want to do. So what exactly we need to do in order to get this right, and why this editor is doing this. Now, first of all, you need to understand that this editor is super flexible in terms of taking the input from users. So you can write directly into this editor instead of using Microsoft Word or any other application. Why? Because the first thing is you don't lose any data. So if you're writing, let's say this is my first article. Every time you write, you see that we have it's saving here. You see that saving coming on the top? Yeah. So what it is doing it when you're typing, it is saving it into our storage. Now, if you want to copy paste something from a Word document into our editor, you simply have to right click and click on paste with match style. What this will do is this will copy the content instead of converting the content into image and creating an image on the editor. Okay, so this is how you can copy and paste. Other thing is you should always have the first line or the title of your article into the heading 1, which you can change by going to this square button here and then clicking on H1. This will make sure that your titles are big enough and readable by search engines. Okay, so this is quite easy and nice. Now you can see that each paragraph here is converted into blocks, and we are saving all the content of any article into blocks. And the reason we are doing it because we want to make sure that you have seamless experience on different devices like mobile phones, tablets, your desktops, or even nowadays Chromebooks, etc., etc. And saving the content into blocks enable us to do that, and that's why we have this beautiful editor integrated into our platform. Now, for example, if you want to integrate some images, you just go on to the next line, click on the add tab, and then select image. This will pop up a window where you can select your image, and the image will be automatically uploaded and then added into your article like this. You can also add captions like my image here, and this will add your image here. Okay, now for example, let's say if you want to add a YouTube video on it. So for example, if I go on YouTube channel and then I want to add a YouTube video, maybe this one, yeah, I'll copy the URL from here and then I'll go back to my article here, and when I see the plus sign, I just copy paste it here. This will automatically embed the YouTube video into your article, and then you can add the caption like coronavirus video. Isn't it beautiful? You don't have to do anything, just copy paste and it will do everything for you, right? So this is how you can use this editor, and there are multiple functions available here for you. So for example, if you want to create list, click on the plus button, click on the list and start typing. This is my first item, then enter. This is my second item, and so on. If you don't want to continue, enter twice and then you are here, right? Now, for example, if you have made some mistakes, if you want to have this paragraph just above the one which is written here, what you will do is you just go on to this square button and click on the move up button, and it will automatically move up. Amazing, isn't it? So this way you can structure your article quite nicely. Remember, always include a nice and good image, and to create images you can always use Canva. Canva is amazing tool where you can actually create lots of images, etc. So I always use YouTube thumbnails, where I go click on YouTube thumbnail and then create amazing thumbnails like this. You click on it, you edit things like new article, and you don't have to choose the paid versions of the images. You can choose the free ones like this one, and that's it. You download it from here. So it's easy to create these images and then upload it on your articles here. Okay, and then in the last, you just have to click the publish button and select whatever kind of tags you want to add this article to, and click on publish. There we go. So very easy to use article editor here on BLOGNOW. And if you have any other questions, please do comment below. Thank you.